Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Bravo Charlie's. Today we're going to do another unboxing and review of Splash Wines. I did a video on this before. I'll put a link right here for it. And they have great Cyber Monday deals, great Black Friday deals. It's a perfect Christmas gift. Also just a great gift for year round. I'm going to show you what's inside the box and all the different wines we have here, and we're going to get right into it. Well, here we are. This is about probably my 8th or 9th case that I ordered from Splash Wines. Fantastic company, good customer service, solid shipping container, great variety and supply of different types of wines at very affordable prices. If you haven't tried mail order wine services before, you have to try this one. There is a link in the description below that'll send you to, or give you a discount code off your first purchase, on top of all the specials that are going on right now, because it is Thanksgiving weekend and all the Christmas specials going on right now. But honestly, they have great programs and promotions year round that you should give a try. But let's get right into this box. So the best way to get started with Splash Wines, if you haven't already done so, is to experiment with their curated cases. The curated case means that they pick for you. So you could say you want all white, all red, you want a mix, you want sweet, you want dry, and then they will curate a case for you and send you 15 to 18 different bottles of wine depending on which size of case you purchase. That's what I did my first 2 or 3 times until I really learned more about their website, how to search the wines, how to read the types of wines, and so on and so forth. But now I build my own cases. So this particular box, and I will give you a close-up here right now of how well this box is packed. They put this giant egg crate on top to protect all the wine inside, and let me give you a quick visual of what that looks like. So these wines, this case is packed very well. Once again, like I said, I've ordered 8 or 9 times from them at this point, and never one time has a case showed up with a broken bottle of wine. It always turns out really good. So what I did this particular time is, from experimenting with some of their other wines, I have come up with some favorites. So now when I go on their website, I specifically pick varietals that I'm looking for, years that I'm looking for, whites, reds, whatever, and buy 3 or 4 or 5 of that particular type of selection. So right here, I love Italian wine. This is a Montepulciano di Abruzzo. It is a, did it say here, it's a 2019. So I'll probably drink this one now, but I did order 3 of them. And with these 3, I'll probably let 1 or 2 sit for a year to give it a little bit more aging. But once again, that was one that I wanted to try. Here is a Syrah from South Africa. I've not had this one before, but I just wanted to give it a try as well. I have bought 2 bottles of that. South Africa has very good wines, by the way. If you haven't tried South African wines, you should. Here's another Italian, a Pinot Grigio. And I ordered 4 bottles of this. I'll just set this one right here. But I ordered 4 bottles of it. This is a case of 15, by the way. Yep, 4 bottles of the Pinot Grigio. Let's see what else I ordered. Here is a 2017 Chenin, Saint Chenin. Where is this from? Oh, this is a French wine. Okay, this must have been something. I actually ordered this box a couple weeks ago, and it's been sitting here at my house. I haven't had a chance to make the video for it yet, and I didn't want to open it until I had time to make the video for you guys. This must have been one that had a really good review, so I bought 2 bottles of it. High hopes. But it is a 2017, so this baby's ready to drink now. And lastly in this box, this one I've had before, a Chenin Blanc. Radfordale 2017, South Africa. Again, it is a white. This one I'm really looking forward to. I've already had this one before. Excellent wine. Looking forward to it. That's why I bought 4 bottles of it. Let me make sure they're all the same. 2017 Chenin Blanc, same thing, and 2017. So I have 15 bottles of wine here. Probably total cost of this package was 110, 115 bucks, so that includes shipping. Fantastic value, fantastic wines. Learn their system, learn how to pick through, find things you'll like. Try the curated wine cases to start with. And like I said, right now they have fantastic deals for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and I'm sure they'll have all kinds of specials going all the way into the Christmas season. But Valentine's Day, all the different holidays, they have promotions throughout the year. Give Splash Wines a try. It's a great value. When you can get this much wine shipped to your front door, most cases can be under $100. So you get 15 bottles of wine for anywhere from $5 to $6 or $7 a barrel, or $8 a bottle, $5 to $8 a bottle. Give it a try. Worst case, you don't like it, don't go with them again, but you will. I guarantee it. You will like Splash Wines. It's a quality company, easy website to use. Links in the description below. Thanks for joining us here at Bravo Charlie's. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, because it's the day after Thanksgiving. Hope you have a wonderful Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining us at Bravo Charlie's. See you next time.